worth saying again that when you go back and look at that 1982 snowstorm, even 5 years ago, we would have 46. And I cannot emphasize, you know, the storm we had last week was 24 inches in 24 hours. I mean, that is, by most accounts, the second largest accumulation in a 24-hour period in the history of the city. So this appears to be, at this point, much slower, and it's going to be a little more prolonged. I'm not saying that we won't still have some serious problems on Saturday and Sunday. I mean, some of the forecasts are projecting up to 33 inches from this afternoon through Sunday. I mean, if we get 33 inches of snow, there will be certainly periods of time when the airport will not be able to function.
Due to heightened security, liquids, gels, or aerosols in containers of 3 ounces or less are permitted through the security checkpoints. These containers must be transported in a transparent, resealable, warm.
May I have your attention, please?
No, not yet.